How to fix if your contacts aren't sync shows up on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open your device and search for WhatsApp icon and hold on to the WhatsApp icon on your home screen. Then click on app info at the top. After you click on app info at the top, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, click on permissions, which is the second option. After you click on permissions in here, simply click on contacts. After you click on contacts, click on allow. Make sure there's a dot in allow. After you've done that, you can open your WhatsApp and all your contacts will be synced. This is how to fix your contacts aren't synced on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.